Yes, Aya, yes, Aya, yes, Aya. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes, Aya, yes, Aya, me there. Yeah, man. They're my first love. Football is my first love, you know. Yeah, man. They're my first love. They're from off and be a beach right now. I tell you, so they come cool off my brain, you know. Because me with my psycho body. Yeah, man. This morning, because when I see what take place at Bowgate, it's like a cheap brother. So if you burn some fire, and God know, God know. God know, they now go. So, God know, this is not past 10 minutes, because we're talking enough down something there. Down a Bowgate a while ago. Come and tell us something, Jamaican people. Jamaica, a paradise. So, when you stay there, I make tourists alone and enjoy the country. When you stay there, I make tourists, the much millions of tourists that spend to come enjoy Jamaica. I want to take what you say from Jamaica. If you don't want to go to America, go make no money and live in a life. That's okay. But Jamaica is paradise, you hear me? Yeah, man. The nice beach. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. You see? Yeah. I mean, alone and God down here. I say, I like the place to stay more time. I alone and God down here. I alone and my father Jesus down here. I say, I want to build back and easy. And nobody can boss me on. And nobody can trick me. They work for people, you know, give them good work, you know. But what me I say now? It grieve me, brother. It grieve me how tourism I come here and I make them money. And nothing now give back to the children there of Falmouth. Nothing now give back to the children of Falmouth. Yes. So me am burn fire. Me am burn fire for the children of Falmouth. They now benefit in no way for the tourism. No way they now benefit nothing at all. All who are benefit from tourism in Falmouth are who they have them close link. The Jamaica Tourist Board. The craft people them. The Juta bus man them. Yeah, man, Stammy, and the tour guide you them and so forth. But nothing now trickle back in the Falmouth town. The kids them now benefit from it. Because as I say, when they fix up bandstand for tourism, and tourism got a bandstand, and they stop dealing with bandstand, and bandstand turn pamper stand. Yeah, man, the voice of bed me like the same, brother. Me alone power, you know. One man army, you know. John Louis, you know. Because it's on the PMP people, we don't sell out. We don't sell out Michael Manley. Yeah, man. I'm not like people, I'm not like PMP people that sell them vote. That's why me respect all of the labor rights them who not selling the vote. Tired of the labor rights them who not selling the vote. Just stand up for one to believe in it. Me support the People's National Party because of Michael Manley. As one lady tell me, I don't call people name on my page right now. Because one lady tell me, we need to speak about Michael Manley, what Michael Manley have done for Jamaica. That's why we come out, you know, and start burn fire, you know. But the 9th of July last year, when I, Andrew, Michael only come on this Michael Manley and say, in the 70s, Michael Manley destroyed Jamaica. And you want to stop him and tell Ivy and say, you want to use them. That's who born the year 2000. And them are youth them a target. I want to know, say Michael Manley mash up the country. You want him to know that. That's why me come out the 9th of July last year. I see him there with Mushek graduation. Maybe got Mushek graduation, I'm not bother go. Because I go burn some fire center. I mean people know say in the 70s A PS supposed to play in the 70s a centre. And look at centre now. I don't want to touch back on that. But that take place on July the 9th last year. And by the time start talk about Michael Manley. So Mr. Fixer Campbell, when the fire reach you now, and the fire burn you by such a levels now, you are saying really wait, come page me. Mr. Fixer Campbell, you send your son really wait to come to me now. I mean really wait. Come on my yard now. Come here and ask in a bunch of what really want right now. But come see me go listen to really wait. Because I really with a friend from a long time with a Fixer Campbell. Me and Philip Campbell a brethren, a friend. Because when we were small, that's how we used to live, that's how we used to do. The man come on my yard, we pick our breadfruit off a cherry tree, and we come put the bonfire out the sun, and pile up the breadfruit them, and we roast the breadfruit them, and we swim in the sea water, and then go send to go play ball. Willie Wade was part of Lion Youth. Willie Wade was Lion Youth defender. So when they send Willie Wade to me, I'm going to tell Willie Wade, I'm going to explain to Willie Wade my mission. I'm going to tell Willie Wade to boy, I can't me the burn some fire. On my YouTube channel, I'm going to burn fire upon it about the condition of Falmouth right now. Because back in the days, we used to enjoy Falmouth in both football and entertainment. In a seat. And through them burn fire so anyway, your father take it up and want to come diss me. I'm not going to ignore him. Because I don't know you from a long time. And really we say, show bed man, I say go higher. And really we say, alright bed, I go talk to him. I go talk to him and tell him to leave you alone. Leave you alone. And I say, the way yourself bed, nobody can do you nothing. And that your son tell me, Mr. Fixer Campbell, say nobody can do me nothing at Falmouth. And that Esco tell me, say nobody can do me nothing at Falmouth. Do your works, bed. And that really tell me, say man, bed do your thing, but nobody can do you nothing. Because really would know, your son knows. So when you master them, when you see the bones father them, and the man up and down and do the thing. Me and really wait and Zay the whole way up on my Stuggy Street to play football. Enjoy yourself. Zay went part of Smokey. Willie went part of a Lion Youth. We compete against one another. Play sport to play. We don't kill and we don't fight against one another as a youth. We don't know about killing. In 1980 we know the people start dead at Jamaica. People all in the 70s. People all in the Falmouth. People all in the Falmouth because we Falmouth people involved in a sports. Entertainment. Because when really were at early age, really were a top DJ. Come here tell really about him and Sammy Dread back in the days. That's how we used to live, man. Really was a popular DJ at a young age. From Scorpion. Really with that Sammy Dread a DJ for Scorpion. I know my family history now. I know Crossbridge come here now. I know the history of family now. That's why I'm glad to have my YouTube channel. So I can burn for a long time. Gwaan 2020. Gwaan 2020 I want burn some fire for the Bo Devil, you know. Because we don't make that be a 9-day wonder, you know. Because Tishan, big up yourself, Tishan. Tishan. When you're not man, you can't call your name for my thing, you know. Coming on this, you know. But Tishan, when it comes to tracing, you need to get an award. Yeah, man. Boy, I see you deal with Queen Africa somewhere, the brother. And you cost have Market G somewhere. But Tishan, the hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory. You understand me? But one thing about Tishan, you need to get an award for tracing for your man who can trace so much and cost so much. I don't trace him, I don't cost enough. Because I don't say, Bo Devil get no sheet of zinc up on you and Bo Devil add this and Bo Devil add that. You know. But Tisha, you cannot compare a carbon copy to an original. Michael Manley, the greatest Prime Minister Jamaica have ever seen. You see the Cuban thing they come on the circle right now. Because bro, they were selling out, you know. Can I give up in Cuban? You know, give up in American visa, you know. So if you don't want to go blind, you go blind. If you don't want to go blind, because Cuban have the best eye doctor them in the world. So if you don't want to go there with a busy boat, you know. Go there with a busy boat, your American visa. So all who want to go blind, you can go blind. Because they go take time face with the Cuban doctors them. The man don't love Jamaica, brother. Michael Manley love Jamaica. Michael Manley use the best out of Cuba and build up Jamaica. And PJ was under Michael Manley school. That's why PJ did the most. I do say Michael Manley, PJ, because PJ was Michael Manley campaign manager, you know. With Michael Manley when I run to become the president of the People's National Party, you know. We all know history. That's why PJ, when Michael Manley win it back. Come here tell my alliance boy, don't watch the win when they win 2020, a by election 2020. Just like how when Siaga called snap election for Michael, and Michael man said nah contest it. And Michael man give Siaga and the Jamaica Labour Party the 60 seat. The 60 seat Michael Manley gave. And that Peter Phillips should do. Peter Phillips should never contest the election 2020. He should have boycott it. But no. But the rest is history still. Michael Manley gave me 60 seat 1983-84 and come back and take it and come back and take back the government from him. That's the mark of a great Prime Minister. The man didn't any PMP no seat in the parliament, no opposition spokesman, but nothing at all. Them alone of the country. And Michael Manley going to take it back from him. And the PJ. And PJ gave 3 consecutive terms. Yeah man. So now back to you, Mr. Fitzroy Campbell. We are really well a friend for life. We are friends for life. We are really with EU, both General, ZD. I talk to someone who is a play ball from Stuggy Street. And this is a play ball. The whole of the play football. In a seat. Then time you have Janet now. Janet, where's the little boy? Janet was so sexy. We can't look on Janet. A man like ranking man, I ride them bicycle. I pay a top man. I pay a top boy. Janet don't buy to deal with back in the days. Just look for Janet Dunbar and that we can't say nothing at all. Big up yourself, Janet Dunbar. Big up yourself, this Stuggy generation. Back in the days, Janet was the hottest girl amongst I and I. I live with Janet all over she go cross the fence and come back, you know. What we are? A PMP can't change. Michael Manley Pitney. Because we not sell out. We not sell out the People's National Party. Because Jabi tell me say, yes, so Michael Manley start out socialism at Falmouth. Falmouth are the biggest PMP area in Jamaica. And PMP have done a lot for Falmouth. The ship pay a PMP idea. A lot for Falmouth and Trelawney. Trelawney included, see, not in Trelawney. Because the Falmouth alone, not in Trelawney I talk about. Or Southern Trelawney too. PMP have done a lot for Trelawney and a whole. But to be born in Northern Trelawney, I can tell you what PMP do. On a younger generation. And Michael Manley build NIP school. And Michael Manley build GC faster. With the kids who have to run a Western champion, Michael Manley build that. GC faster put all of the coaches them in Jamaica. GC faster, Michael Manley build that. PJ build the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. PJ build in a seat. PJ build Allen High School. PJ build Yake Primary and Infant High School. Yeah man. A PJ idea well she pay their farmers right now. Posha build Falmouth Police Station. That's why Falmouth so safe right now. Falmouth safe in come out the crime up because the Falmouth police station are the best police station in a Western Jamaica. That's why crime not too big a Falmouth again like one time. When people are dead, and most of the outskirts you see it, a Falmouth. Nobody can come extract nobody. Nobody can go extract the Chinese people them or the Indian people them so they can pay dues. Falmouth full of peer police. Come here some students from states, past students of states, like one tickers. We used to work with area and Dave here. All big reds. Big reds will enter my states one year. They are from here. They see the train in the morning time with the Falmouth police them. Enough youngsters because of the Falmouth police station built by Porsche. Fire station built by Porsche. Hospital when they set up by Porsche same way. So they stop, make people chicken and fall, you know. And in a PGA time, Jamaica reach World Cup. And in a PGA time, next school will League Cup final. Because football blooming in Jamaica back in the days there. For the 10 years during PGA time, Falmouth United, Village I play football center. Village play football center. With Jeff White them. I know Village can't play. I know Falmouth United can't play football center. Because Wouldnt and them sell out. Sell out to 2 over. Because they don't tackle 2 over. Wouldnt and them sell out to 2 over and Gager. Because they get sweets from 2 over. That's why I'm different. I don't support Falmouth United until I play back ball center. Football have play a center. Naturally multi-purpose stadium. Center football have play. That's using from compound, from race course, from Harbour the farmer can watch football. Like us back in the days. And because of Noel Sweetie Smith, watching Noel Sweetie Smith play ball center and Mr. Windell Dunswell. That's why when we get football scholarship and we choose between Clarendon and College and State. Come to Never Glam, bring me in the early part of 1979. Went to Jamaica, when I play China. And we got town, go train it. We be ball boy, Never Glam, we got town. And Never Glam, I went to Jamaica side of train, one field, must have Jamaica agricultural field and so forth, them a train. And between Oni Luoso and Peter Perkins. Oni Luoso at the captain of Clarendon College and Peter Perkins at the captain of State. And Neville asked me which school me want to go. Which school me want to go. And I tell Neville say I want to go States. Because of Reno, back in the days I play football at centre. Football because I playing football at an early age. I've taken me on Jamaica. Take me right on Jamaica. We start at State, we come and live. I want to know people there. And that I want to happen for the youth them. Football to play a centre. Because from United, we don't play much weekend because Cricket play at stadium. And tomorrow they have match. What support they can get during the week now at stadium? If the match in the player center, they get more support. Wouldnt and you them want money. Wouldnt and you them want the tier 2 of Jamaica joke thing. Because the ball is not getting no money. I decided they were spending most money, that's why they must reach. That's why Trigger Beach did reach, because they must spend. You them want money, Wouldnt, they want money. Because they have them kids to take care of and them young girls nowadays they want look nice same way. Most of them play because they love it. So me come talk about if they reach Premier League and use a stadium and use. Premier League, Falmouth United if you play them at a centre. The children in the multi-purpose stadium if you play a League Cup final, Western Boys and Girls Championship and all them sitting there. Yes. If you play a children in the Major League final, if you play the knockout final, Gwaan and Duncan, Gwaan and Bounty all reach. I play a big match to play over at the children multi-purpose stadium. And that Mr. Dan Robert did want to happen. The reason why God make him be a part of Jamaica Labour Party Because I feel so well right now. They can't have an idea of the put monks go developing people. Jamaica rich in a sporting history. Yeah man, and upon the playgrounds them. Must sign off and upon the playgrounds them. Michael Johnson man come beautify stadium. And the Jamaican people them all support Michael Johnson thing over the weekend. The turnout was low. But Michael Johnson, yes man, the meet was a success. But deep down the man could all feel away how to support him. Yes. Yeah man. I saw you go. But Michael Johnson love Jamaica because of Usain Bolt. And I show you the money can make out of track and field. You understand me? 20 minutes right now. The first content was half an hour this morning. So what I tell him, Mr. Fix right camera. We now stop to Michael Manley. Because I say me and Michael Manley Pitney. PMP sure my vote. You see it? When me and Michael Manley Pitney, yeah man, we more strong and powerful than PMP. Yeah man. Because this man have make PMP for PMP is today. This man lay a foundation. That's why it's a bastard Pitney will forever say Michael Manley. Because the world is a circle right now. And you can see the young generation, you can see how they treat the Cubans them. And you only speak for the blind. And you only speak for the sick and innocent and blind and dead. The Prime Minister of Barbados and the Prime Minister of St. Lucia said, nah, give up the Cuban doctors them. Because they must save life. And you want to busy about in life. From 2020, no busy about you know. About no Dr. Andrew Wallace. But if you want no Dr. Michael Manley, I never about no Dr. Siaga, Dr. PJ Patterson, Dr. Portia Simpson Miller, Dr. Bruce Golden, but you know Dr. Andrew Wallace. Boy, I tell you man, boy, I sign out now. I go post the two content them. You know see it. So big up yourself really weird. Really weird, I'm a general. I'm a general really weird. We are friends from your little boy. We are little boy, we are running upon a family that enjoy life. So when the father said if you come link me, I'm explaining my side of the story to you. Explain my side of the story to you and what you say, you go talk to him bed and tell him to leave you alone. And bed nobody can do nothing, nobody can touch you, nobody can trouble you. Esco tell me the same thing. Because I'm willing to be there for the people of Falmouth. I'm exposed, you know. The nasty things that go on a bandstand and look how Bo gets it stay. Look how the thing that Bo gets stay. And bandstand full of pay garbage and pay pampers. And then clean up the place for the kids them. But in a build up thing that Bo get. One love. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. And big up all the sporting loving fans them in Jamaica who are fight for sports. Because we know what sports can do to the Jamaican kids them when they come out of poor family background. Big up yourself at Bieber Harris. You know see it. You're going well overseas at college right now. Because your mother don't stop showing me your things them. We know Winsome your sister and you follow Winsome. And me we know the last one to follow the two on the same way. A sport they take them kids all over the world. So big up yourself, big up your damn self, Mr. Keith Wellington, my Prime Minister. Me born for your part, you know. But you're my Prime Minister. Yeah man. Big up your damn self, Mr. Keith Wellington. I don't see no principal love sports like you. So as I say, one love. Enough thing we talk about, I put it in a two part. Yeah man. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man, you're going to beat. You're alone down here. You're alone down here. Me and my first house. So I'm going to juggle some football. I'm going to down. Look at the sun white and look at the sun pretty. Look at the sun nice. self-employed, you hear me? Because of Jamaican people, I support all who support Bed Miller over the years. So we can relax and alright, you know. We can see yourself the whole day. When you see them, tourists are coming and join the place. Yes, a paradise. But for young and old, me alone there, me and Father Jesus there. I see my Jesus in the chop. It's to flex more time, you know. When you sleep on earth, you know. He just go one away and got the mountains and go to meet with his father. Me alone there, so. Yeah, man. Me alone there. Yeah, man. Me alone there, so. See it, me alone down here. Yeah, man. Me alone there, so. Who want to go to America go live? Who want to go to America go live? Who don't mind the world and you can go to America? When the world on the pocket for the safe and go to America go live? I left Jamaica. I left Jamaica to me. Just want to find me Eve and me and she just go and enjoy the land of Jamaica. The whole of everybody on the pocket for themselves and go to America go live, brother. I left Jamaica to me alone. Because I don't want to go to America go live. Jamaica I want to live. Yeah, man. Because I don't love money. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.